I weather the sky like it's my cape, chasing dreams I can't escape.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my daughter's hair, and the reason why you're seeing the hair like this, so whenever the reason why you're seeing the hair like this is whenever I wash their hair, before I wash their hair, this is how I twist their hair. And when I finish washing it, I'm going to leave it until I'm ready to make the hair. I don't leave their hair, I don't lose their hair just like this, comb it and leave it. No. So this is how I wash it. If I moisturize the hair, I twist it back the same way and I leave it until I'm ready to make the hair. So this is just a little part I just decided to share with you guys. So let's get to the hair. So if you have not seen the video where I mix this, I put this thing together, so go where to wash it, okay? So this is the reason why my kids, they don't cry while making their hair, because I will make sure I apply something that will soften their hair. Like this, my daughter, she's 6 years old. I have never touched her hair with hair relaxer at all, not for once. So, and this is not the hair she have from baby. So now, right from the back of her ear, just like so. Sorry about the noise, guys. Like so. I'll do it from here down to this side. So this is the part where I'm going to take up, and I'm going to be using this braid gel to clear the parts. Just straight down. Now use the tape to clear the part. I mean the mouth, just like so, like so. So I'm just going to take it straight down to the other side to do it this way. So when there is any hair you need to take out, you're going to see that the part, for example, you see that here is not straight. Now, if you see that it's not straight, you take the mat again, just like so. Just go straight and the end here. So we go again, we brush it again, and we come here again, start using your tape comb to clear it like so. So this is how you know if you are getting the part or not. Start from down here, just straight up. First of all, apply your gel and start with the comb, just like so. 3, which is 1, like so, and 2, and this one 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this one, thread this one. So 1, 1, 2, 3, the same way, 1, 2, 3. No chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars I rule my way. Every step I dance, every word I play. Little crown stars, my soul's the day. I shine my own, I wanna obey. Little crown stars I rule my way. Every step I dance, every word I play. Little crown stars, my soul's the day. I shine my own, I wanna obey. So see, this is the 3. How it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to use this part now. The way I part this part from here, I'm going to take it out from the other side. So here's the part I'm using. I'm not using rubber bands. So this is the 2 first one. This is the first one. So done with the two. What I'm going to do now, we're going to move over to the second one. So this is the second one from the other side. We're going to go from this side and from this side. So that by the time this one comes, it will see the distance to be okay. But when you put the hair here, it will not be this one, the length will not be long and it will not show. So this is how to get the style very well. So now that we have hold the hair to this one now, I'm just going to go ahead and use my packer to hold it. So when you do the second time this way, and the reason why you turn it is for the packer not to go off. If you leave it this way, there is no way the packer will go off the hair. So that's the purpose of twisting it second time. So now I'm just going to go ahead and this one, and I will just take it out to this side. So take one to this one and take this one to the other one, and I'll pin it here and let that one be. Pin it again. I'm going to go ahead and brush this one with this. Brush it along with this one, and I'm going to see the way I brush it now. Then I'll let this one be. Also brush it with this. So now they're not together. So we'll just go ahead and twist it. Let's see if I can do this way. See the way I do the hair now. So we're not going to push the hair this way. Rather, we're going to push it in the middle, like so. We're going to do it like this, and take this one, and let's just go ahead and hold it. So you see that? Yeah, the distance. So I'm going to repeat the same process I did. So here's where we are going to end. Just first of all, start from front. So now I'm going to be using rubber bands, not like the one I use on the back. This hair is like what I did to the top. So now I'm going to push it side because the hair is long. If I put it front, it's going to fall on her face. So I'm going to push my hand while trying to pack the hair. I'll just kind of draw it, see, to side. Let me give me a band. So see where it is now. So I'm just going to draw it a little bit. So like this, see, there's no space here or here, too much space. See the part right now. I'm going to add this one like so. Give me the one minute. So this one, not to this one. So this one also will go to the other one. This one's going to remain on its own. No one is joining this, just like the front of the hair. No one is joining the front of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put them together. And so now look at it into 4. This one 1, 2, 3, and the front 4, which is like this. Here, here, and here. So I'm going to go ahead just the way I did with these ones. I'm going to go ahead and use this one, comb it with this.
They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I roll my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown.
What is that?
The world's my stage, I own this town.
Push your other side.
No chains can hold.
Music
Every
radio is
breath is
already.
laced with gold. Little clown stars are
Guys, look at the bead I'm going to use.
every step
It looks like Halloween movie.
So I'm going to use two each of this love. So this is how simple and beautiful this hair can be. So we're not done. We have one more thing to add.
little crown stars I roll my way. Every step I dance, every
So tell me what you think.
little crown stars my
Have you ever
So
done
this hair is so beautiful and simple. So tell me what you think in the comment section. What you think about my princess hair? So do you like the hair?
very much?
You like it very much. So we want them to make it for their princess.
Yeah.
So tell them.
Guys, make me.
Come on, mommy.
Make this
So you should make this hair for your little children. Alright. Bye.
Bye.